Hey everyone, here's a quick video to help you get into and understand what to do on the week 1 Desmos activity. So here we go, I've logged in, I'm starting on the first slide of 19. And this activity is designed to help you understand squaring and square roots and kind of using the area formula to understand. So you just go through, click through, follow the prompts, follow the directions. If it's asking you for something, I want you to respond to that. I go in and I'm able to look over all your guys' answers, give you guys feedback, and just help make sense of what you're understanding. So here we go. Here's blue. He's a perfect square with integer sides. And there we go. We're going to play around with our Desmos graph. Drag the red point to explore the relationship between blue's side and the length and area. So watch what happens as I change this thing around. If I click on it and drag it, we can see the side lengths and the area changes, right? Here is a square with a side length of 12 and an area of 144. If I shrink it in, here's a side length of 7 with an area of 49. Make some observations when you're ready to go on to the next slide. What did you notice on the previous screen? Well, the area was always squared, whatever number you dragged it to. The blues, side length and area are related in terms of square numbers. And there you go. It talks about squaring. It talks about asking you other prompts. You'll go through. It talks about squaring and square roots. Introduces you to the square root of what that is. Just kind of keep going. Read through. You're going to use your calculator to evaluate square roots. So if I wanted to calculate the square root of something, I'm going to click on another area here. Square root is right here on the keyboard, so I can square root and say if I want to calculate the square root of 81, it's equal to 9. And close the calculator, and we're going to represent these points on the graph here. Notice the square root of 25 should be at 5. The square root of 64 is 8. If you have all the square roots lined up on the number line in the right spot, you get a little check mark, way to go, as a happy dude, giving you confirmation that you're on track. So just go through the rest of these. It says stop here, but just keep going through. I want you to get all the way through number 19. Then you're going to talk about a square that does not have perfect side lengths and irrational side lengths. Just do your best, use the calculator, and have fun exploring squaring, square rooting, rational numbers, and irrational numbers.